Huge thank you to all my sponsors that are supporting this year's race efforts. Here we go. In this episode, I grind some gears, I dirty up a dirt bike, she's a little dirty, and I spring a leak. Okay, no way this just happened. I picked up KTM 250 from Robbie, and Highland Cycles is gonna help me build it out as a hard enduro bike, and we're gonna ship it out to Hawaii. I bought a bike for Hawaii. No way. Thank you, Robbie. I really appreciate your support and your help. Okay. I don't know if I'm getting picky here, but I'm noticing a lot of things I would change compared to the 300 that I'm used to. Whew. I am ready to get out of here. This shouldn't be so hard. I keep saying it's 80% ride or 20% bike. Well, this 20% of the bike is getting to me. It shouldn't be this hard. That's not me pissing my boots. We got a little bit of work to get her for ship shape for Hawaii. Alright, so it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I just slept at Penrose and I am on my way to Montrose to drop the bike off with Morgan at Highland Cycles. It's a little snowy and we're kind of on a time crunch. Sorry for leaving you with the dirty bike, Morgan.
Hey guys, it's Morgan coming to you from Highland Cycles with big news. Some of you guys have already seen this because you've watched my shorts.
All right, we're here. Oh boy. She's a little dirty.
We are receiving a bike from Mr. Adam Mishta of Adam Does Dirtbikes.
Howdy.
We are super stoked. We are going to Hawaii, guys, and I still can't even believe this is happening.
Me either.
Our good friend Robbie Noyles has donated this 2010 250XC for the purpose of Adam taking it and beating the living crap out of it on Oahu.
I'm excited, Morgan. It's gonna be awesome.
It's gonna be rad, guys. Make sure you subscribe. We will be back soon.
All right, so we got the bike dropped off at Highland Cycles. There she is, and Morgan is gonna be taking over from here.
Yeah, we're gonna get her done.
All right, Matt, so you remember how you asked me what do I need in order to win?
Yes.
Okay, so I was wondering, here's my thought process. Look good, feel good, race good, win. I was wondering if you could help me out with graphics for the two bikes?
Oh, yeah. Plus, I might be able to, because I'm getting, yeah, totally.
Dude, well, I'm stoked. I'm excited that you're going to help me out with that.
Oh, yeah. No problem.
Thanks, Matt. I appreciate
You just got to have a Champion Brick logo on there, though.
I'd love to throw some Champion Brick on there. I was going to do it regardless. When I get home, first thing I'm doing is I'm working on the graphics.
The very first thing we have to do, as you can see, is clean it. So I'm gonna go wash it right now, and we'll pull it up on the lift here, and let's dig into it, kind of see what we're dealing with, see what we're starting with. Let's talk about what all we're doing here. All right, let's start with performance stuff. First things first, this is a 250XC. We're going to turn it into a 300XC. We have a factory big bore kit from KTM.
Whoop, that's not good. My phone just keeps on restarting. making graphics.
All right, we got her down to her bare bones now. Everything really looks pretty good on this bike. From what I understand, it's got maybe 60 hours on it, so it's a pretty low hour bike, especially for being a 2010. You don't have to buy a brand new bike to be competitive kind of series. I think that's gonna be a really good thing to show you guys you don't have to spend a ton of money.
Okay, maybe you don't have to spend a ton of money on the bike, but when you're doing a GPS race, you have to invest in some equipment. So while Morgan's working on the 250, converting it to a 300, I'm working over here on the graphics. They just got in and I am getting the bike ready for the first race, which is King of Motos in California. I encourage you to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be chasing the entire US Hard Enduro Series. That's right, all 10 rounds, and I'm going to be posting videos along the way. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoy.